Everyone, welcome back to useNfix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix your Snapchat error. If your Snapchat is showing you errors, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it, starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end. One of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from a notification bar or control center. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Next, try logging in into Snapchat again. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, if that didn't work, it's time to clear some cache. Go ahead and long press on this icon of Snapchat and click on the eye looking kind of icon, and then scroll down and click on the option of storage, and now in the bottom right corner of your phone you see the option of clear cache with the option of clear cache. This clears out all the old data that might be causing issues. Now, if none of these methods helped you, it's time to go ahead and delete the app Snapchat from your phone and then reinstall it with all the latest files and bug fixes. I hope this video gets you back into your Snapchat account. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.